Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. Today I did this fun blue eye look. So, not gonna lie, I feel like that bitch, especially with these lashes on. Like, who is she? But anyway, if you want to see how I created this look, obviously that's what this video is about. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. I'm going to start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This shit's bomb. Do like 3 old pumps. It like makes your makeup stick on so well. Alright, let's get into this skin. My skin's been acting like a little bitch lately, probably because I've just been eating hella pizza and drinking lots of tequila, and it's coming out through my face. So we need a full coverage foundation to cover that shit up with. Let's do a little foundation cocktail. I've been into mixing these two lately. Yeah, they're cute together. This one's too light and this one's too dark and this one's too yellow. So like, it's a good mix when we put them together. We waited 30 seconds for that primer. Ooh, I fucked up this foundation. Whoops. Whatever, I guess. Oh my god. Just squirted out. Bitch. What the fuck? Ew. Alright, I'm taking my Morphe sponge and blending this foundation out. I'm gonna do a little mixation. It's kind of a lot of foundation, but like, you know, whatever. Concealing with some Shape Tape, light and fair beige. I have to mix them again. You don't have to do all this extra mixing business, but I'm like a weird color, so gotta cover up this fucking monstrosity over here. I literally have these pimples for like 2 weeks on my face. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. My shit. Alright, now I'm gonna set the whole face because bitch, it's hot outside. And I've been doing this lately. It helps my shit stay on, so I just do like a little, you know, sprinkle of powder, contour with some Laguna, which is like about damn near exploding all over the place. That shit is empty. I need a new one. I'm just using the little like broken pieces right now. That's how much I love this bronzer. And then you're done. Yo, when I first started contouring my nose, this is probably dead ass what I looked like. My 5 head, hitting that shit hard. I got the plug, I got the greens. I'm doing Orgasm. It's my fave. And just put a shit ton on, you know? Fucking love blush, especially on my nose and like right here. I think it's so pretty. I kind of want to do my Fenty one today. Haven't done this one in a while. It's fucking pretty. I need to mix this with a lighter highlight. It's a little dark. I'm gonna go in with the Huda, the white one. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take the Desi Katy palette and do this cool toned crease shade right here for my crease. Yes. Alright, once that's even, I really want to do blue on the lower lash line. So I'm going to do that first and then decide what I want to do with the other top of my eye. I'm using this Makeupforever Aqua Eyes in 7L. I'm going to just put it on my lower lash line and then blend it out. It's sparkly, but you can't really like see the sparkles. You can a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna blend this out quick before it dries. Now I'm gonna set that blue with one of the blues in here. Probably, yeah, I'm gonna do this one because it matches the most with what I got going on under my eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller brush though. This blue doesn't get everywhere. Yeah, that's a perfect match. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this warmer brown shade and just put that on the outer corners of my eyes for a little bit more definition up top. Just taking a little detailing brush, kind of blend it in with the blue on the outer corner. Just take your time to blend. I'm gonna grab this brush again and use it to help blend. I'm gonna put some of this on my lid with my finger. I love this color so much, I always use it. The shadow is so fucking pretty. Like, fuck. I still can't get over it, honestly. It's like so satisfying to put on. It's definitely my favorite color in this palette. And that green one too. Should I do a bit of green like underneath or just really blend this blue? I kind of want to do a bit of green. Yeah, fuck it. Actually not green, like seafoam color. I'm gonna take this one here and blend it out. Blend out the other blue with it. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Alright, cool. What's the eyes so far? I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. Let's do some lipstick and then we're fucking done. I'm gonna do Caramel Lip Liner by Kylie. Dude, I just be steady keeping this on record and just leaving. I'm using Colourpop lipstick and Appy. Nice shit right now. I love this color. It's like my perfect warm nude. I love me a warm nude. This is the finished look. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed this look. It's really cute. The close up. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.